Hey guys, what's up? So, just picked up this Porter cable planer here. Never actually had one of these before. I mean, I've seen them before, but so I'm actually working on a project. And originally I was going to use an old block planer, but yeah, I'm trimming this edge off this door here, and I've already used my old skill saw. But originally I was going to use a block plane, but then the block plane just would have been too hard to get a good edge on there. So I'm actually making a Dutch door. Replace that door and make a Dutch door out of this wooden door here. But so I went to the store to buy a block plane, and the only one they had, like a full-size plane, you know, like the original ones, the ones with that big handle on them, and they were $50. I was like, what? So this one was $69. But take a look at it, see what's up. Like I said, I've never had a block plane or electric planer before, so see what's up. See what's in it. Porter cable. Porter cable, I normally get either a DeWalt or Makita stuff. Probably Makita. At least a lot of my tools. I mean, I have like half DeWalt, half Makita, but I don't really have any Porter cable, I don't think. I mean, they're not like a terrible brand. That's actually, before you even open it, let's see where it's made. Just curious, where is Porter cable made? Compliance. Where is it made? Made in China. Alright, so I don't think anything's even made in America anymore. I don't know about DeWalt or Makita. I know Makita should be probably Japan, but everything's made in China, man. I've made a lot of videos, rants about made in China, but that's cool. Manual, tool. Oh, it even came with, it comes with a deck bag. There you go. There you go. Hey, not bad. That's cool. Comes with a dust bag. Alright. Get this going. So, see if I can get that even. I kind of wish I mean, if I would have known I was going to be buying that planer, I would have basically not made a first cut with this thing. So I'm trying to get down to that line right there. Because I got to make the door a little bit smaller to fit in this my doorway there. But alright, let's get this thing set up. Alright guys, take a look. Here, I guess you can choose what side the airbag is on by doing that. So actually I want to have that on that side. So this little piece right here seems like it keeps it straight, or see if I can adjust that. I guess flat, you know, with the I guess so you can keep it, I guess, 90-degree angle, I guess, or flat. And this is the depth and cut. So I'm gonna do a test cut before I obviously start cutting on my real wood, just to see if I can get used to this thing here. So let me go find a piece of scrap wood and get this thing going. Alright, cool. Wasn't planning on buying one of these, but you know, I mean, it was $50 for like a hand one, or $70 for this thing. So, alright. Let's look at this little wood. It's not mounted at the right angle, but I just don't want to be shocked when I start cutting this wood. I mean, the door over there. So, alright. So I'm gonna, hopefully I'll be able to get this in the frame. It's gonna be like that. Do a couple test cuts there. Alright, see if I can put this down. Get that in the frame here. You're on the phone right now. So right now I'm at 0. So if I make sure that was correct, try 0. I'm guessing I'm taking out anything that's high. Let's try. I gotta get this out of the way so I can go right through. Okay. Let's try it again. That was my fault. I went backwards. Don't go backwards. Yeah, see that right there? I did that because I went backwards. Alright, let's try. Like I said, I've never used one of these before, so. I'll probably be able to get that out. I'm keep on bringing the depth up. Pretty cool. Look at that. All right. 130 seconds. Okay. Kind of getting in the way when I come off, so. Cool, got a good, nice finish. About 330 seconds, 3/64. Hope you're still in the frame. I believe you are. Okay. Go like that. All the way through. Since I'm at a weird angle, see I just got a huge notch out right there. So this is actually what I wanted to learn before I started getting on that real door. Okay, I gotta bring that cutter head in. It's giving me a lip there. So I got that big old groove because I went like this into it. So you're supposed to keep the weight on the back, because if I tilted forward and then it just took this big old chunk out. See if I can get that out of there. Not bad. Let's try 1/16 and see what happens. Alright guys, so if you want to see how this turns out, I'm doing another video at the Dutch door. So, I made a lot of mess though. Probably a bad idea to here my relaxing area, but it's a cabin, so. Alright, cool.